Hello, dear colleagues. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I would like to introduce you to another active learning method called project-based learning. It is based on the constructivist learning theory, which states that learners construct their own knowledge and understanding based on their experiences and interactions with their environment. In this approach, students work on extended projects that are rooted in the real world and tackle authentic problems. This encourages students to take ownership of their learning and become active participants in the classroom. Let us take a look at an illustration that shows the implementation of the project-based learning or project-based active learning method. The scene shows a dynamic classroom environment with students working collaboratively on an extended project. The students are engaged and enthusiastic as they interact with each other and the teacher. They are using a variety of resources to gather information and complete their project tasks. The classroom layout is conducive to collaboration with flexible seating options and access to technology. The image also showcases diverse learners, including students with different abilities and backgrounds, working together as a team. Overall, the scene illustrates the key elements of the project-based learning approach, including student-centered learning, real-world application of knowledge, and the use of technology to enhance the learning experience. To implement this method, follow these steps. Step 1. Introduce the method and its objective. Explain to the students how the project-based learning approach works and what they can expect to gain from it. Discuss the importance of taking ownership of their learning and becoming active participants in the classroom. Step 2. Provide instructions and materials. Give students clear instructions on the project they will be working on. Provide them with the necessary materials and resources to complete the project successfully. Ensure that students have access to the information and support they need to be successful. Step 3. Guide students through the activity. Facilitate the project-based learning activity, providing guidance and support as needed. Encourage students to work collaboratively, share ideas, and solve problems together. Step 4. Reflect on the process and outcomes. After the activity, facilitate a discussion about the project-based learning process and its outcomes. Ask students for their feedback and suggestions for improvement. Help them reflect on their own learning and how they can apply it in future projects. Project-based learning can be used in all levels of education, from primary to secondary and even higher education. It is a versatile approach that can be adapted to different subjects, age groups, and learning contexts. For example, in a science class, students can work on a project to investigate the effects of climate change on local plant and animal species. In a math class, students can work on a project to analyze and interpret data related to population growth in their city. In a history class, students can work on a project to research and present a timeline of important events in their country's history. And in an art class, students can work on a project to create a mural that depicts the diversity of their community. There are many benefits to using project-based learning. It helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills, creativity and innovation, communication and collaboration skills, and self-directed learning skills. It also helps them connect learning to real-world contexts and become more engaged and motivated learners. If you are interested in implementing project-based learning in your classroom, there are some helpful resources available. You can find lesson plans and activities that incorporate project-based learning on various websites. Additionally, there are professional development opportunities available to help teachers develop the skills and knowledge they need to effectively implement project-based learning. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned about another active learning method, project-based learning. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on active learning methods. Thanks for watching.